3, 2, 1, and action!
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Ito na kami nag-aaral ni Jacob. Bakit?
Sa lahat ng schools, dito pa talaga?
Very convenient.
Don't worry, find out.
Miguel, tama na. Ayaw kong madamay kayo dito.
This is between me and him.
Kap,
What's going on here?
Ma'am Dragona, hindi ko kami yun. Sila Calix po yun noon.
What?
What? True.
Would you like to get suspended, Calix? Everybody, go back to your respective classrooms now. Now!
Labas ka. Kaliwa mo. Thank you.
Miguel, salamat ah. Totoo ba na dito ka nag-aaral?
Yeah, me and Jacob are going to
Okay.